One. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing Prime SBT review bonus. Okay, as you can see, you can claim all of these bonuses here. As you can see, you can claim a welcome bonus up to $500. Okay, as you can see here, my bonuses have expired because of I've forgotten. I've not claimed mine. As you can see, it said claim a bonus up to $500. Okay, my bonus here has expired. Okay, so this platform that we are talking about is Prime SBT. So many of you know it. Primexbt is an online copy trading platform. You can buy cryptos, you can do futures trading. You can trade so many things here. As you can see here, this platform is trusted more than 1 million active users across the world. Okay, you can buy crypto, you can copy trading, you can do so many things with this platform. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can claim some of your bonuses, some benefit of your bonuses on Prime SBT. Okay, as you can see, you can trade and earn up to $1,125 in rewards just for you to deposit an additional of $5 or $20 or $100. You are going to be getting a bonus up to $500. Okay, as you can see here, all you have to do too. The first thing you need to do is to click the first link in the description of this video. It's going to bring you straight to this website here. It's called Prime SBT. Okay, the website is called Prime SBT. So as you can see, I've already started. So you make a deposit and they reward you with your bonuses. Okay, as you can see here, exactly again you can do copy trade. As you can see, share your strategy with for profit. You can copy, you can do copy trading, you can do so many things on this platform. Okay, you can buy cryptos, you can do so many things here. As you can see, if you want to buy crypto, you can buy crypto, and you can you can switch it off. You can use Ethereum or Bitcoin. You can do so many things in this platform. Okay, and the best thing I love about Prime SBT is that their bonus is when you deposit an additional, even if it is $5 or $100 or any amount of money you deposit in Prime SBT, they are going to be giving you these bonuses. As you can see, you can claim up to $50, $100, $300, $500 just from welcoming bonus. Okay, so you have to deposit any amount of money before they can um, give you the bonus. Okay, after you deposit any amount of money, so you now come to withdraw and withdraw your money. And if you have any other question, you can come here in FAQ. As you can see, how to claim my welcome bonus. Okay, you can come here and ask them. You can come here and see by yourself. As you can see how to claim welcome bonus. As you can see, deposit $300 or more to any of your CFD trading or crypto futures trading account. As you can see, you can claim all of these bonuses here. So that's another way. And then another place again that you can get more information or in-depth information is to come here to your settings. Okay. Yes, you can come here to your settings and verify your account. All you have to do is just verify your email and your document. Okay. So there is it. As you can see, you can claim all of these bonuses on Prime SBT. So in my next video, I'm going to be going in depth on how to buy, I mean, crypto, how to buy Bitcoin, and how to do copy trading, and how to enter, the Prime SBT contest. As you can see here, they have contests here. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to can enter all these contests for completely free, without any you depositing anything. Okay. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Okay. And if you want to register on Prime SBT, you can look the link. You can use my link in the description of this video. Okay. As you can see, you can do crypto futures. As you can see here, I have 1,000 USD in my demo account, but my real account I have nothing. If you want to deposit on Prime SBT, you just come here and click on deposit. Okay, so you can deposit using your Bitcoin or bank transfer, any other one that suits you. Okay, so in my next video, I'm going to be going in depth on how you can do all of these things. So if you want to see that video, I highly recommend you subscribe to my channel and comment down below so that I can make another video for you, showing you how you can transfer, showing you how you can deposit and withdraw your funds. Okay, but as you can see, for the rewards here, you can surely claim all of this reward. If you use my link in the description of this video, you're going to be seeing a step-by-step guide on how you can claim all those bonuses for completely free on Prime SBT. Okay, you can claim up to 500 US dollars, but you have to deposit some additional money. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.